In this set of tutorials, we are going to take a look at one of the most important pieces of software that we learn in the entire digital media curriculum, and that is Flash. Now, I'm on the website for adobe.com, and we're going to be using Adobe Flash CS4 Professional. And I think it's a really good idea that you go take a look at Flash online. Just take a look at some of the features and everything else. A lot of the stuff might be a little hard to understand, but it's so important to see all the incredible features of this software. You know, we won't even touch half of them within the curriculum just because it's so rich. But you can go take a look at the features of it by clicking on features on the right or on the bottom, and they've got some videos that you can watch that are really good about object-based animations and inverse kinematics and bones tools and 3D transformations and procedural modeling and Deco Spray Brush, Motion Editor, and these are all new features that have been put into Flash in the last few years. Now, some people have said that Flash is going away. You know, you hear all sorts of stuff. That is absolutely not true. Flash is actually broadening in so many ways. It's amazing. If I go to a website like aviary.com, this is just an example of the type of Flash applications that are being created right now. This is an image editor, which I can launch in a browser here, that is completely created in Flash. Start from scratch, hit Create, right-click, and you'll see About Flash Player 10. So this is an image editor created in Flash. I'm going to go ahead and close this particular one. Go back, close that, and let's see the audio editor. Launch Mina. So here's an audio editor created in Flash, which is really quite amazing what you can do. And this one you can drag over your sounds and play them. And you can add multiple sounds together. So, you know, this is actually what's being done with Flash right now, is that people are creating incredibly rich applications in Flash that are fully functioning applications on websites. Now, of course, you also have all the cool websites that are out there. If you go to something like thefwa.com, which is the favorite website awards, you'll see that almost all these websites are going to be Flash-based. So if I go something like this one, which is Shapeshifter, notice if I right-click, it's About Flash Player 10. So this is created in Flash. So you're finding websites more and more and more that are using Flash. If you go to anything like Best Buy, any big commercial website, you'll find that right here in the middle we have a Flash advertisement with interactivity and everything. You can skip between their different marketing messages that they have, click on the buttons, and you can find more information about the products. So this is being done throughout the digital media world. People are using Flash more. It is not going away. Now you've got it on mobile devices. The iPhone just introduced in a press release just this week that Flash CS5 would enable you to create content for the iPhone that would run right on the iPhone itself. So Flash is actually broadening beyond the scope of what they ever really thought it would do. It's not really going away. There are other technologies coming out too to compete with it, but still Flash is king. So if you look at what's going on right now, the Flash player is enjoying about 99% of proliferation through the internet. That's pretty amazing. And you can even see the different versions of the players. So people have about 99.7% of people have Flash 8, 99.6 Flash 9, and 93. So you can see it's gaining, but still a ways to go. So let's go play with Flash. In the next video, we're going to take a look at the interface of Flash and see what it's like.